What up, everyone? Today I'm going to be telling you how to create a local multiplayer in Scratch. This is not online, this is local, so you'll be able to control the players. So first, I just created a spray, it's a circle, and named it player. And we're going to put a new variable called player speed. This is how fast that the players will move. So we can hide this and set player speed to 10. Now we're going to create a new block, and this block will be named move. And just click OK. And define move, we're going to add these things. X, X, Y, Y. And now you can do times, and then add times inside of that one. And then player speed here. But what we're going to do is we're just going to do this for two of them. And then just duplicate this a few more times and put this here. Okay, now -1 on these. And then we're going to do this, 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 and this. So now add this key is pressed, and then I'm going to do WASD keys. So I'm going to first do D, duplicate that, and then A, and then duplicate this one, and then okay, W, and then S. So here, make sure you put this in there, like that. A, the ones that have negative are down and left. And now we can just do this, and then move. So here is our little character controller. It's really simple, and not too much code either. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create a just hide at the start, and then create a clone of ourselves. And when I start as a clone, we will do the move thing. So now we have, also make sure to show, because we have to do that. Now we have just this, and now whenever we make a clone, it just creates a new clone. But we don't want both in unison, so we're going to create a little script that makes extra copies and stuff. So before we do that, we're going to make a new variable. This will be called player ID. And make sure it is for this sprite only. Now we're going to set player ID to 0 when we start off, and player amount. Now set player amount to 0 as well. And when I start, we're going to change player amount by 1 and set player ID to player amount. Like that. Now, so that we know what player we're going to be controlling, we're going to say this and join player, and with player ID. Like that. Save it, and now we will be able to create this better. So now, create a new variable. This will be called controlling. There we go. And now we have controlling. So we're going to set controlling to 0 when we start off. And then we're going to create a new thing here. When the sprite is clicked from events and dismiss. Okay, now we will just add set controlling to player ID. And this is really easy. We're gonna say if controlling is equal to player ID, and that's our script complete. Yay. Now we will create the um, multiplayer type thing. So here it says player one, and when we click on it, we're able to control the player. And now we can create more clones, and it did not create a clone. Okay, we have a clone. And now we can control this clone and it won't control the other clone. So you can control one clone at a time. This is really good because now we have different characters. But it would be easier if we could see them in a different color. So we're going to just clear graphic effects and change color by, let's make a loop so we can create amount of clones. So let's create 3 clones for now, and here we can do that. So now we have 3 players. We have player 1, player 2, and player 3. I'm gonna put a wait just before we create the clones, just in case we don't like create too many clones on top of each other, and it's gonna be hard to navigate between them. So here we have 1 and 2. We can see them both spawning in. Well, now we can have more, and every time you do it, they will reset. We have 5 clones, aka 5 players, so now we can control each player like that. This is good for games where you want multiple people in it, but like one person. I honestly don't know why you would need this, but in case you need it, you can. Yeah, some sort of Sims game where you have like a bunch of players, but in this game you actually control them like you can. So, thanks for watching. Uh, yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.